Is right now the perfect time to buy Alibaba Group holdings? That is the question I'm going to be answering in this video, and to answer that question we're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we have a look at what the price has done in the recent past, we can see that from around this low, price went up to this high, and now we are seeing some retracement. And in the stock market, usually when prices start retracing, they tend to find support around one of these Fibonacci levels. And knowing that, investors using this tool like to get in around these levels. So what are these prices? The first price you might want to consider getting into the stock at is going to be around here. This is $120. The next level is going to be around here. This is $112. And the third level is going to be around here, which is $104. So an entry strategy you might want to consider is getting in at this higher level and averaging down at the lower levels if the price continues to retrace down. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It is equally important to have an exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering if I'm currently holding Alibaba Group holdings or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by politicians. This is because investing alongside US politicians is the best investing strategy I've come across. It completely blows every other strategy out of the water, so it's the one I follow most of the time. If you're curious about how I do this and how you can too, I put together a free video that explains everything and goes through the returns I've seen over the last 3 years. The link to it is in the description below. Feel free to check that out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension, if we do something similar to before, but this time going from these levels, from these lows up to this high, and pulling the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something like this. And the way this works is these levels of the Fibonacci act as resistance levels for the price, and investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels. This puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. If you're wondering why we selected this area of the chart rather than the most recent area, the reason for it is we don't know where this retracement is going to end, and for the extension tool we need to pull it down to where the retracement has ended. So where are some areas where we might see some strong resistance and where we might want to consider taking some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $181. The level above this is going to be around here. This is $220. And the third level is going to be around here, which is $244. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price reaches these key levels, so if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found the video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video. That helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.